What up, guys? So, following the trend of we're taking advantage of all opportunities, we just left, the live stream at Gary V's office, driving back home to Jersey from New York City. We see some ollies on the map, so we're definitely going to take advantage. We're going to go in here and see if we can find some products. Since, we're going past it, we might as well check it out. I know a couple people who source here, so it might not be that popping, but at the same time, they don't got the eye that I got. So I'm gonna go in here and try and see if I can spend a couple dollars, get a couple products, and let's check it out. So we film everything.
Oh, you film everything so you don't have to. Okay, that's
exactly.
Fine.
Yeah.
It's easier than writing everything down. Right?
Exactly.
That's true.
Exactly.
Yeah.
How do you do? What are you selling? This stuff?
Sell anything that's profitable. So it could be makeup, it could be lotion, it could be candy, it might be dog treats, anything, everything.
Do you sell used or you just sell?
No. Yeah, just mainly used.
Yeah.
Yeah.
Thank you.
Bye.
Have a good one. Somebody was slacking. That was damaged. Okay, we got 3.
Good start.
Now if we can get some hair food.
Just have it. So what's your goal right now?
Just to get as much stuff as I can on the way back home. Slept, woke up, drove to New York City, had 4 calls today, did the Gary V meetings, did the Gary V live streams, out in the sun, shit don't be always all fun and games. Nobody want this shit. Nobody cares about recycled plates like that on Amazon. I'm looking for a bolo in this bitch. Bolo in that bitch, man. I smell like a pound of bounce that ass. What up, trappers? If you're interested in learning how me and my team can help you start and scale your Amazon business, click the link in my bio to book a 100% free call. We'll walk you through everything. See you soon. Profit. 24% ROI. We were kind of selling. Average price is about $21 though. Yeah, there's no margins on that for me. Definitely no margins on this. No margins, no margins.
Wait, you already went to beauty?
I took a stroll down Beauty Lane.
No bolos.
I didn't see any, but I want to try and find some. Show me a bolo. No bolo. Show me a bolo. Right now I'm looking for a bolo. Marco, bolo. Balancing cleanser. 200 bought in the past month. Not the same one. What the fuck? $9 for that? You shitting me? You shitting me? I'm running out of energy, bro. I need Chipotle or something, or 5 guys. I think I'm gonna get 5 guys. Anyway, I know that shit's gonna go right to my stomach. Oh, bolo? Bolo? Oh, bolo?
What's the numbers?
Bolo? $4.99, $3.99 buy cost, $14.50 sale price, 100 sales a month, 61K BSR, 328 profit, 82% ROI, stable keeper chart up here, selling at least 100 times a month, and I can tell by the keeper chart, the offer count that is going down. You feel me? We got one. We got one, man. So this trip wasn't in vain. I need all of these hydration spa, Dove, whatever the fuck they are. Bolo, 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 Bolo,
Bolo, bolo, bolo.
Marco, Bolo. Shit leaking like a motherfucker. Alright, hold on now. Cause they got other kinds of shit though. Dry scalp care.
Not a buster.
Breakage remedy. Got 31% on that hoe. Whoa. Nah.
That was not the one.
What's up? That's the thing, right? Let's be like, fuck, how many alleys did we go to yesterday where they were definitely there? Gotta be on those bolos before you know those. Look, they got hella of the shitty ones. Hella of the dumbass ones. Just these little things hiding back there. Should be sticky, ew. I'm burnt out, I'm still looking, you know, I'm tired as hell. But we still gonna keep looking while we're here because we're not turning down no opportunity, you know? Somebody that wants my spot and they not gonna get it. They're not, I promise you that. Should I take these pink ones, bro, since we're here? How many of these bitches do I got already, bro?
A wall.
Fuck, bro. Right? For me, it's just like, I trust myself, I trust my dad as well. So like I know these shits are good. I'm not even questioning that. It's not even an iffy thing. It's just like fuck, I'm tired of seeing this shit. So what? It's profitable, efficient, babe. I'm not buying it, bro.
Profitable, but not enough motion.
Color's kind of ass. Okay. Color's kind of ass. Citrus shad's probably decent. Okay, talking shit. Four of these 4-gallon backpack sprayers in my fucking cart. Left it at the front. We get to the register, I only got 3. Somebody took one. And I'm not happy about it. That shit's like $50 profit, so they basically took $50 from me. And yeah, I'm not fucking with that shit at all.